Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about saving the code. We will understand that how the codes are saved in Arduino IDE and what are the things that we need to take care of while downloading the codes from the internet. Now first of all, whenever you save a code, there is a default name given to it which contains sketch underscore something like this one. Here this includes AUG, 3 alphabets here, then 2 numbers and then again an alphabet. Here first 3 alphabets represent the name of month, like here it's AUG means August. Then we have 27 that represents the date of that month, like it's 27 today. Then we have an alphabet again which is an incrementer, like this is my first code for today, so it's A here. If I create another one, you will find there B. Similarly it will increment for each new window. Now after this, when you save these codes, you will find an option to rename it. You can rename it whatever you want to, like let me rename it as first. Then click on save. Now this code is saved and you will find a name first here instead of that sketch. Now this code is saved in documents folder. When you go there, you will find a folder named Arduino. Inside that one, you will find multiple folders, out of which you have a library folder and other folders named according to your codes. Like we have created a project LED blink, we have an onboard LED, and we also have a variables code. Similarly, we have created a code named first right now. Inside that folder, you will find our code. Like I have here first.ino. If I open this one, I will get the same code that I have saved right now. And if I open the LED blink, I will find my LED blink code. Now here this .ino is the extension for Arduino codes. And why there is a folder here for each code, so that Arduino IDE can differentiate our codes from the library codes. So it's really important that we should have a folder named according to our code. And now let me show you what will happen if we do not create a folder named with the code name. Like here we have this first.ino. If I rename this to first2.ino and then I try to open it, I will find an error there. Like the file first2.ino needs to be inside a sketch folder named first2. Create this folder, move the file and continue. Now here if you click on OK, it will automatically create a folder with first2, and then inside that folder you will find your code. So it's really important to create a folder named with the code name. Now let me show you where you really need to take care of this. So when you download the codes from the internet, there only the code is downloaded, which is in .ino file, but you will find no folder there. And then if you directly try to run the code, you will find their error, because again we need a folder with same name. So make sure whenever you have downloaded any code, then you must have a folder with the same name. So this is all about saving the code that I need to make you understand, so that you will not find any error while downloading the codes or using others' codes. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.